Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. In last video, we already learned how to define matrices, what are the types of matrices, what are the applications of matrices in engineering. Today, we will start new topic of our syllabus, that is rank of matrix. So this is most important topic. Now, first we will see how to define rank of matrix. So definition, a positive integer r means a positive integer r is said to be rank of matrix A, means from this we can say that r is always positive. Positive integer r is said to be rank of matrix A if there is at least one minor of order r which is non-zero. This is very important. There is at least one minor of order r which is non-zero, and second condition is all minors of order greater than r is 0, or we can write all minors of order r plus 1 equal to 0. For example, if we take one matrix A is of order 3 by 3, matrix A is of order say 3 by 3, and if you find determinant of matrix A, suppose that determinant is not equal to 0. If determinant is not equal to 0, then we can say that rank of that matrix is 3. Okay, but suppose if we get determinant of matrix A is equal to 0, if determinant of matrix A is equal to 0, matrix A is of order 3 by 3, then we have to check there exists at least one minor of order r which is non-zero, मीन्स उस मैट्रिक्स का हमें सब मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करना पड़ेगा ऑर्डर 2 by 2 का, and check whether that matrix is singular or non-singular, means determinant of that matrix is 0 or non-zero. If determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0, then we can say that 2 is the rank of that matrix. For example, in next slide here example is given. For example, this matrix A is equal to 3 1 2 2 0 5 1 2 3. Okay, now we have to apply definition of rank of matrix here. How to find rank of this matrix? So here the largest square submatrix, means here the largest square submatrix possible is of order 3, and that matrix is 3 because order of matrix is 3 by 3. So if we take suppose submatrix itself, that is matrix A is itself, first check whether determinant of matrix A is 0 or not. So if you find determinant of matrix A here, then we will get that determinant is minus 23, and determinant of A is equal to minus 23 means which is not equal to 0. So there exists a minor of order 3 which is not equal to 0, and therefore we can say that rank of that matrix is equal to 3. So from this we can write one conclusion, that is, if देखो यहाँ पर matrix A is of order 3 by 3 and rank of A equal to 3 when if determinant is not equal to 0. So from this we can say that if matrix A is a non-singular, then its rank is always equal to its order. If matrix A is non-singular, means the determinant of matrix is not equal to 0, then the rank of that matrix is always equal to its order. Now here if we take second example is this, that is matrix A is equal to 3 1 2 2 0 5 5 1 7. Now here if we first consider suppose minor of order 3, means if we find determinant of this matrix, that determinant is 0. If we expand determinant of this matrix, then we will get determinant of matrix A is equal to 0 here. The determinant of matrix A 0, in what is the order of matrix A? Order of matrix A is 3 by 3. So order 3 का minor क्या है? 0 है. Okay, now means order 3 का minor 0 है. अभी less than 3 के लिए हमें check करना है. So if you find one submatrix of this matrix, that submatrix is this, say matrix B is equal to 3 1 2 0. Submatrix means delete any one row or column of that matrix and write remaining rows or column in matrix form, that is called as submatrix. So 3 1 2 0 is the submatrix of this matrix, and if you find determinant of B matrix here, that determinant is minus 2. Okay, so determinant of B is not equal to 0 here, means we can say that matrix is of order 2 by 2, means minor of order 2 by 2 not equal to 0, and minor of order 3 equal to 0. So what is the definition of rank of matrix? there exists at least one minor of order R which is non-zero. Here there exists at least one minor of order 2 which is not equal to 0, and every minor of order higher than R means minor of order 3 is 0. Then we can say that R is the rank of matrix. So what is rank of this matrix here? So rank of this matrix is 2, because there exists at least one minor of order 2 which is not equal to 0 and minor of order 3 is 0. So this is the definition of rank of matrix. Now there are some properties of matrix. Now using this example, this example we can write again one conclusion here, because here determinant of matrix is equal to 0a and then rank of that matrix is 2, okay, and order of matrix is 3 by 3. So using this we can write one conclusion: if matrix A is singular, then its rank is always less than its order. Its rank is always less than its order. And if matrix A is non-singular, then its rank is always equal to its order. So there are some properties of matrices. First property is rank of null matrix is 0. Null matrix क्या होता है? Zero matrix, and zero matrix की rank क्या आएगी? 0. So rank of null matrix is 0. Then second property is for a non-zero matrix A, rank of A is always greater than or equal to 1. For a non-zero matrix A, is एक matrix है non-zero matrix है, so rank of that matrix is always greater than or equal to 1, means either equal to 1 आएगी और ग्रेटर देन 1 हो सकती है. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा जो नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स के उसकी रैंक 0 आएगी, सिर्फ नल मैट्रिक्स की रैंक की 0 आएगी. ओके, देन थर्ड और फोर्थ नोट्स तो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया. नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर n हैज़ रैंक n एंड रैंक ऑफ सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर n इज ऑलवेज लेस देन n. So these are some properties of rank of matrix. Now we can, for solving problems, for finding rank of matrix, instead of using that definition we have to use echelon form. So echelon form means same as upper triangular form. Do you know upper triangular form? Upper triangular form means the elements below the diagonal. Suppose this is our given matrix. And these are the diagonal elements of this. So element below these diagonals are all 0, means these elements are all 0, then that matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. So echelon form is same as upper triangular matrix, or this is also called as canonical form. So using echelon form or canonical form, how we decide rank of matrix? So rank of matrix by echelon form is obtained by performing row transformation and counting number of non-zero rows in upper triangular matrix. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Means how we find rank of matrix using echelon form. So suppose one matrix A is given say 1 2 3 4, okay, and using this echelon form you have to find rank of this matrix. So here by performing row transformation and counting number of non-zero, means we have to convert this matrix in the form of upper triangular matrix or canonical matrix and then count the number of non-zero rows, that is the rank of that matrix. Upper triangular matrix में क्या होता है, जो diagonal elements होते हैं, here diagonal element is this one, so इसके नीचे वाले हमें क्या करने हैं, 0 करने. So for that we have to use operation here r2 minus 3 times r1, means here already 1 present है. यदि r1 को 3 ने मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड R2 से सब्सट्रैक्ट किया तो 3 माइनस 3 यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा. वी वांट दिस एलिमेंट 0, ये जो डायगोनल है ना इसके नीचे वाले हमें 0 करने. तो नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स क्या मिलेगी मुझे, 1 2, दिस 3 माइनस 3 0 हियर एंड 4 माइनस 3 इंटू 2 6, 4 माइनस 6 इज माइनस 2. ये हो गया कैनोनिकल फॉर्म और इक्वलन फॉर्म ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए. Now what is the rank of this matrix? Count number of non-zero rows. Non-zero rows कितने, 1 and 2, or number of useful rows, so that is the rank of this matrix. So rank of this matrix is denoted by row of A and which is 2 here. So rank of this matrix is equal to 2. Suppose if we get here 0, यहाँ पर यदि 0 आया तो इस मैट्रिक्स की रैंक कितनी होगी 1. नंबर ऑफ नॉन जीरो रोज कितना है, सिर्फ एक ही रो है. So rank of this matrix is then 1. Okay, so this is the rank of matrix by using echelon forms. Now we will take one problem. So problem is find the rank of matrix A is equal to this problem 2 minus 3 4 4 3 1 1 1 2, then 3 minus 2 3 6. So this is the given matrix. First in solution write down given matrix. Okay, now using row operations we have to convert this matrix in the form of upper triangular form simply. So for that upper triangular form means जो diagonal elements is this 2, then this 1 और इस 3, इसके नीचे वाले एलिमेंट हमें क्या करने हैं 0 करने. So how we make that 0? So here in R2 1 1 1 present है and in R1 2 present है, but we want here instead of this 1 0 second row में first element we want 0. So how we make that 0? If we interchange first and second row. So for interchanging, what is operation? Operation is R12. Okay, so first use here R12 operation means interchange first and second row. So if you operate R12 here, then instead of first row write second row, and instead of second row write first row. So first row becomes here 1 1 2, and second row becomes 2 minus 3 4 4. Okay, and third row as it is, that is 3 minus 2 3 6. Now we have to make first diagonal element is here. First diagonal element कौन सा है? First diagonal element is here, that is yes, which one is first diagonal element here? 1, this one. Okay, and we have to make below this 1 0. So for that we have to use operation. यहाँ पर 2 है देखो, तो R1 को 2 ने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मीन्स वी हैव टू यूज R2 becomes R2 minus 2 times R1, this operation. Then R3 becomes R3 minus 3 times R1. So if we use this operation here, then this matrix becomes first row as it is, because हम ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं R2 एंड R3 पर. सो R1 एज इट इज़ 1 1 1 2. R2 पे ऑपरेशन किया 2 minus 2 0, देन minus 3 minus 2 यहाँ पर minus 5 आया. 4 minus 1 मीन्स दिस 4 minus 2 यहाँ पर 2, that is 2, and then 4 minus 4 here 0. Okay, then same here R3 minus 3 times R1 है, so this 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 0. Then minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, then 3 minus 3 0, and 0 6 here, 6 say minus 3 into 2 6, that is 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so this is not canonical form of given matrix. So second diagonal element is minus 5 here, this. Okay, and we have to make below this 0 means minus 5 के नीचे हमें 0 करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या ऑपरेशन यूज़ करना पड़ेगा हमें? So we have to use here R3 minus R2, and for making this 0, a element 0 करने के लिए use only R3, use only R2, don't disturb R1. मीन्स देखो ये -5 सेकंड डायगोनल एलिमेंट है, लाइज इन सेकंड रो, उसके नीचे वाले हमें 0 करने हैं, तो उसके नीचे वाले 0 करने के लिए सिर्फ R2 का ही यूज़ करना है, डोंट डिस्टर्ब R1, बिकॉज R1 का जो फर्स्ट डायगोनल एलिमेंट है 1, उसके नीचे हमने ऑलरेडी एलिमेंट्स 0 किए, उसको डिस्टर्ब मत करो. ये -5 लाइज इन सेकंड रो. ओके, तो उसके नीचे वाले 0 करने के लिए हमें सिर्फ R2 यूज़ करना है. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू यूज़ ऑपरेशन R3 minus R2. So if we use R3 minus R2, then this matrix becomes 1 1 2. Okay, then 0 minus 5 2 0. Here one more 1 is there. Okay, और and then this 5 minus 5 0 हो जाएगा, मीन्स ओनली लास्ट रो चेंज हो जाएगा. 0 लास्ट रो लिखता हूँ मैं, -5 + 5 0 हो जाएगा, 0 minus 2 हो जाएगा, and 0 minus 0 is 0. दिस इज लास्ट रो. सेकंड रो एज इट इज़ रहेगा 0 minus 5 2 0 and 1 1 1 2. सो ये जो मैट्रिक्स है ये हमारी फाइनल मैट्रिक्स होगी. सो दिस इज द अपर ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म, देखो थर्ड डायगोनल एलिमेंट -2 है, इसके नीचे एलिमेंट ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज द अपर ट्रायंगुलर और कैनोनिकल फॉर्म ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स. ओके, अब हमें रैंक डिसाइड करनी है. सो हाउ वी डिसाइड रैंक ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स? काउंट नंबर ऑफ नॉन जीरो रोज हियर. नॉन जीरो रोज कितने? दिस इज फर्स्ट रो, this is second row, and this is third row. So rank of this matrix is equal to 3. Number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of matrix. Okay, we will take one more problem here. Problem is find the rank of matrix A is equal to, find the rank of matrix A is equal to 1 2 -1 3 3 4 0 -1 -1 0 -2 7. Okay, so to find rank of this matrix. Now how we find rank? So first diagonal element देखो 1 है, उसके उसके नीचे एलिमेंट 0 करने. तो फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन क्या यूज़ करना है हमें? ये 3 को मुझे 0 करना है, -1 को. ओके, सो फॉर मेकिंग दिस 0 यूज ओनली R1 बिकॉज फर्स्ट डायगोनल एलिमेंट जो है कौन से रो में है? दैट लाइज इन R1. सो यूज ऑपरेशन R2 minus 3 times R1. Okay, and R3 plus R1. So if we use this operation, then we can write here matrix using this operation. यहाँ पर मैं मैट्रिक्स लिखता हूँ. क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट रो 1 2 -1 3. सेकंड रो 3 -3 0 आएगा, 3 -3 0. देन 4 -6 -2. देन 0 +3, दैट इज 3. माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. -1 -9, यहाँ पर -10 आएगा. ओके, लास्ट रो -1 +1 0, 0 + 2 इज 2. देन -2 -1 -3, एडिशन कर रहे हैं हम, 7 + 3 इज 10. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इफ वी यूज दिस ऑपरेशन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव टू मेक सेकंड डायगोनल एलिमेंट. देखो सेकंड डायगोनल एलिमेंट इज -2 हियर, दिस, एंड इसके नीचे हमें एलिमेंट 0 करने, मीन्स इस 2 को 0 करना है. तो इसको कैसे 0 करेंगे? यूजिंग ओनली R2, डोंट डिस्टर्ब R1. सो वी हैव टू यूज ऑपरेशन हियर R3 plus R2. Why we use R3 plus R2? Because here minus sign already present is. So how we write this matrix then? This is equal to 1 2 -1 3. Then second row 0 -2 3 -10, and third row देखो 0 -0 0, 2 -2 0, -3 + 3 0, and 10 -10 is 0, means last row becomes 0. So how we write the rank of this matrix now? Count the number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows is 1 2. Okay, so rank of given matrix is 2. Now I think everybody understood this concept, how to find rank. हमें क्या करना है? सिर्फ जो मैट्रिक्स दिया होता है उसका डायगोनल एलिमेंट देखो और उसके नीचे वाले 0 करो यूजिंग ओनली रो ऑपरेशन, अवॉइड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सो टेक सम प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर प्रैक्टिस. हियर दिस फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व नाउ. ओके, इसको हमने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया, इसकी रैंक 2 आती है. सो यू ट्राई दिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you have any doubt, then comment me in comment section. Out of this 10 problems, problem number 9 and 10 is different. Here find k if this matrix has rank 3. So when the matrix has rank 3, matrix is of order 3 by 3 given है. So when we get k here, if we take determinant of a is not equal to 0, ये जो मैट्रिक्स है इसका डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 से इक्वेट करो. जो भी k की वैल्यू आएगी वो नॉट इक्वल टू आएगी. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू गेट k इक्वल टू 1, सो फॉर k इज नॉट इक्वल टू 1 वी गेट रैंक ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू 3, दिस वे. एंड दिस वन देखो, फाइंड k इफ दिस मैट्रिक्स हैज रैंक 2. रैंक 2 देखो, ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 3. okay, and rank 2a means determinant of matrix is equal to 0a. So take determinant equal to 0, try to find k, then we will get k here. Okay, so in next video we will start normal form of matrix. Thank you.